In orchards and fields, colors so neat. Fruits are a treat that kids love to eat. Apples are red with a crispy sound. Healthy and tasty, they're great all around. Bananas are yellow, a convenient delight. Easy to peel and just the right bite. And grapes come in bunches, purple or green. Pop them in your mouth, a snack so lean. Oranges are juicy, a citrusy cheer. Packed with vitamin C, let's give a big cheer. Fierce strawberries are red, small and sweet. Perfect on pancakes, a delightful feat. Pineapple or yellow with slices so cool. A watery treat, be by the pool. In orchards and fields, colors so neat. Fruits are a treat that kids love to eat.
Subscribe for more videos.